Hi, my name is Jeff Nickevort. I'm the Safety and Training Manager. Today we're going to talk about hood mirrors on P4s and drivers' complaints of the mirror working downward or not holding its position. These mirrors are about $300 to replace. In warranty, we normally would do that as available, but giving part shortage issues, today we're going to talk about how we can add some friction tape to the adjustment inside this mirror to keep it adjusted for the driver without replacing it. So in order to be able to remove these mirrors, you have to tip them fully down. Now, there's a little bit of a trick. You have to kind of pull up on here. There's a little lever that has to be pushed in and towards the driver's side in a rotating motion. There's a little lock on the back side. Once you rotate that lock, you'll be able to pick this mirror up, and we'll get a little closer look at this lock. So this is the current lock position. So again, in order to release it, you have to push it inward towards the front of the truck and then rotate towards the driver's side in order to be able to release that device. All right, so now we're going to actually add our friction tape. So we have to remove our adjustable pivot. So you're going to take your flat blade screwdriver, you're going to have to push inward and rotate counterclockwise 90 degrees. The assembly will then pop loose and you'll be able to remove the assembly from the mount. Now there's three pieces to the mount. Well, there's actually four. There's the retainer, the mirror head mount, a center rotating or cup piece, and then the actual cup piece. So the inner cup allows the mirror to rotate side to side, and the outer cup allows the mirror to rotate up and down. So in order to be able to add friction to this, we're going to have to add a piece of friction tape to both the inside and outside of this center cup. So because this is a new unit that don't need to fix, I would normally add about a ½ inch square of friction tape to both the inside and outside, depicted in these pictures by the yellow tire chalk. So once I've applied my friction tape, I'll take my cup, I'll set it back into my mirror head. I will then take the next two pieces together, set those into the assembly, and then I take my screwdriver, push in hard, and then rotate the assembly 90 degrees, and you'll feel it lock into place. So after you've installed your mirror, or your mount, you're going to take your mirror, put it back onto that assembly. You'll feel it fall back down into place. You may have to take a screwdriver, but again, now we have to rotate that locking handle back into place to lock the mirror securely in there. Should then have the additional retention we need to make sure those mirrors are in place. This is a fairly quick repair. You can have those friction tape squares available in your shop. Start to finish, this job should take no more than 5 minutes, and we'll get the driver happy because he'll be able to retain his mirror position.